What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to lock the object in the Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, actually for the newest version of this PowerPoint, there will be the lock option if you give the right click. And for example, I will give you the demonstration. I will create the regular object here. And for the new version of the PowerPoint, if you give the right click of this selected object, there will be the locked option into this section or the option, guys. But since I'm using the old version of the Microsoft PowerPoint, it is not exist here. But don't worry, you can still have the chance to lock the object, but in a different way. So all you gotta do here, you can start to go to this view here and click this slide master. And after that, into this section, you can start to give the object. For example, I will click insert here and I will create the shape like this. And after that, you can go to this slide master and close from this slide master view. And let's try if this object can be movable. So I try very hard to click this object, but as you can see, this object won't be selected and it's not movable. So this will be the trick, guys, if you'd like to lock the certain object of your slide or into your slide. And if you'd like to remove this locked object, so you can go back to this slide master by visiting this or clicking this view and go to the slide master again and select this object and delete. And finally, you can start to add the another object that you want here by again clicking this insert. For example, I will create a circle here and I will move it as usual. And I will go back to this slide master. And now this circle being locked and it is ready to use. Let's say for example, if you'd like to add the another object like the logo of your organization or maybe the school or your team, you can use it by trying this slide master to lock your object into your PowerPoint slide or the PowerPoint file, guys. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this slide master as your alternative to lock the object. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.